guys, sorry it took so long to get another video. I've been having issues with uploading it. I wouldn't upload. I only have my phone to work with, so yeah, this wouldn't upload my other video, and then it got lost and deleted. But anyways, I'm Sunny. It is August 2nd, I think. Yeah, it's August 2nd. And Sunny has developed new ways of speaking. Like, not like actual words, but like that noise that he just did right there. That's the recall whistle I do to get him to come back. I go like this. Yeah, he just started mimicking it. And he does that call every time he's in the cage, and he goes, "Wanna go fly? Yeah." Sunny, what are you screaming at? Come here. Come here. Come here. We'll fly? Better hurry up before it starts storming. It's been raining like non-stop, and there was no chance for me to even be able to take him out, so I had to bring him out early. I usually take him at 4 o'clock, but right now it's 2 o'clock because around 4 o'clock it starts raining, and I've been doing that for the past 3 days in a row. So I have to live in Florida. Especially since hurricane season's coming again. Sunny's never been through a hurricane yet. No, you haven't. No, you haven't. Here, let's go fly out here. Yeah, you wanna go fly? Wanna go fly? Okay. Go. No. How about... Nope, he doesn't want to go. Ooh, oh, bugs everywhere. It's probably because of the lake over there being overflowing. The lake's not actually supposed to be up to the gate like it is. Looks like the ducks that used to live there finally decided to leave. Yeah, these are... Yeah, the water is pretty high up, actually. I hate it when people litter in the water. See, look, it's past the gate. Like, holy crap. There's bugs everywhere. There's gonna be mosquitoes everywhere. And apparently the mosquitoes in Florida have developed a new disease that can cause brain tumors, I don't know. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you, Sunny. There's just bugs all over my face. Yeah. Yeah. What? What was that? You talking? You see the big bird up there? What was that? What's that guy screaming about? Come on, Sunny, this is your only time to fly. It's gonna be raining soon. You see the sky? Yeah, it's gonna be raining soon. There he goes. He likes to sit up there. Oh, it's raining. It's sprinkling. We only got 2 flights in. Hey, you only got 2 flights in and now it's raining. Yeah, we gotta go home now. You going potty? No, I'm not gonna put my hand up there unless you go potty. If you're gonna go potty, my hand. Okay, he's not going potty. Oh, yep, it's raining. It is raining. See, we only had a few minutes to... Sunny, it's raining. You can't go up there. I know. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. You know, we better make it back home before it starts raining. It's raining on my phone. If it starts pouring, I'm gonna have to put my phone away. Like raining heavily. Alright, I need to start holding his feet because he's gonna wanna go into trees, and there's no tree rule on this route home. I know. You better hurry up. Uh-oh, it's pouring. Yep, it's pouring, alright. Raining. Oh. Let's get back inside. I know, we're home. Yeah, it's raining. You know, it looks like you're probably gonna want a bath now because of that. So. Bath. So cute when he ducks his head in it like that. Yep, how did I know it was gonna rain around 4 o'clock? Well, it's 2 o'clock now, but still. Should have went out at 1. Weather's just predictable here. It doesn't stop raining soon. I'm gonna have a full-on flood in here. Thing is that it's either a drought or it's flooding. There's no in between. No little bit of rain here when we need it, and no more rain. It's always too much or none. And yeah, I do like rain rain better than the drought, but too much rain can ruin plans. Like, we were planning on going to some kind of spring this weekend, and because of the weather, we can't go. The area where we're going was towards where Cocoa Beach is at. If you live in Florida, you probably know what Cocoa Beach is. If not, Cocoa Beach is near the Atlantic Ocean side of Florida. Not the Gulf of Mexico side, on the other side of that, the Atlantic Ocean side. Over there, that's where all the sharks are at. That's where the shark attacks happen and stuff. You enjoying your bath? Yeah. You're soaked. Yes, you are. And you're getting my phone wet more than the rain was. Yes, you are. You little goober. You goofer. You goober. You're so cute. You know, when I say that little birds have big personalities, that is a very true fact. I've had a big bird before, an African gray once, but his personality wasn't as big as Sunny's is. I still loved my African gray, I did, but I was not nearly experienced enough to have him. He was a rescue. He had anxiety and he was a plucker, and it was around the time where I was first getting into birds, and I wasn't even the one who asked for the bird. My parents got the bird for like a surprise for me because my cockatiel recently died after that, and they knew my cockatiel was gonna die, so they got this bird before she even died. And after she died, they told me that he was an early Christmas gift, and I had him from December to April, and around that time we kind of bonded. We bonded really well with each other. Like, we had some trust with each other and stuff, and all that good stuff. But I just wasn't experienced enough to know their body language and the hormonal season and their behavior. And when April came, which is hormonal season apparently, around, as I was saying, my phone kind of cut off there for a second. Hormonal season came around, and he started being aggressive and biting everyone, including me. He never liked anyone else in my house besides me. Like, he didn't want anyone else touching him but me. He wouldn't let no one hold him. I mean, unless I hand him to them. Like, if someone wanted to hold him and I give him put them on someone else's hand, he was okay as long as he sees that I trust the person and stuff like that. But he just had trust issues, and I was the one person he trusted. And he was biting everyone. I didn't know why, and it hurt my feelings. And like, from what I learned is that you shouldn't take things personally with a bird. And at that point, I took things way too personally at that point because it hurt. It broke my heart when he bit me like that. And, you know, I kept him. I had him for the whole month of April, and then May came around, and he was still being aggressive. And my parents told me to keep him in the cage, and I didn't want to keep him in the cage. He was never caged anyways. Like, we got rid of his big cage, and he slept in a like traveling cage. But the thing is that as soon as I wake up, he comes out of the traveling cage and he goes on his play stand. And I made him a jungle gym play area in my closet where there was ropes and there was toys, and he loved it and he played with all of it. And he was a shy talker too. Like, he did say, "Good boy." You done? You done? He did say words, but not in front of me. Like, if he thinks I'm not listening or whatever, then he'll say it. Like, one time I woke up and I took him out of his little sleeping area and put him on the play area in the closet. Like, there was like no clothes in there. Like, I'll show you where it used to be at. Like, it wasn't like an actual closet, but it was like right there. And there was a dresser underneath it, like that, with stuff. I apologize for the mess. I'm a messy person. This is Sunny's setup right here. And as you can see, he loves his cage. But we're actually not going to be hanging out here. I'm going to get my blanket, and we're going to go out there, and I'm going to keep him warm because it's cold in my room. But yeah, and his name was Dusty, and my parents told me that it's either I get bitten up by him a lot, get my feelings hurt, or I sell him. And they convinced me to sell him because I kept refusing because I loved him. And I cried when I had to get rid of him. And because of my heartbreak and heart soreness, I went without a bird for a whole year. And then I don't know how I look like, but oh well. And then around like last year, around April, I think, like in the beginning of April, I was on TikTok and I saw this person with 2 birds on TikTok, and they were sun conures, and I just fell in love with their colors and their brains. And I did my research before I decided I wanted one. Like, I knew that they were really loud. I knew how they were. What attracted me to them was their colors, their brains, and their cuddliness. Like how they like to burrow on the blankets like this and be lovable. And that they're family birds too. And that they won't like if you interact them with the family right, they won't be biting everyone. Like Sunny, he's a good family bird. He doesn't bite everyone. Yeah, he prefers to be with me over being with other people, but yeah. Clover, you better be good over here. Clover, I got a cat on me. Clovine! No, I know what you're doing. No. No. You know the rules. You either sit quietly right there, or you have to go. I always supervise the time with Sunny and the cats. They don't ever interact with each other at all because I don't allow it. But yeah, that's how it was with Dustin. I hope that I can upload this. If not, then you'll probably will never see this. But please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next vlog if I can do it.